In the next 2 minutes, you'll learn everything about 205/30/14 golf cart tires. We have sold over 1 million golf cart tires here at the golfcarttiresupply.com. And when it comes to 14-inch golf cart wheels, there is no size on the market that is more popular than 205/30/14 golf cart tires. And actually, all three of these tires that we have sitting here in this video today are 205/30/14 golf cart tires. And there's a few reasons why they are so popular in the 14-inch size. The first major reason is that they fit all golf carts without a lift kit. So 205/30/14 golf cart tires are 19 inches tall. And that's just slightly taller than your factory wheel and tire assembly that comes with your cart. These are 18 inches tall. It's an 8-inch steel wheel on an 18-inch tall tire. And you can see side by side that even though you're moving up to this giant 14-inch wheel that looks so beautiful next to that 8-inch wheel, the tire is actually still, it's only about an inch taller. You can see it in real life right there. So they will fit on every single golf cart on the market without a lift kit installed. And that's a major reason that people put these on their cart. The second reason is that 205/30/14 golf cart tires are turf safe. And the reason that they're turf safe is because on average, they have a tread depth of about 6 to 7 millimeters. And that's how deep the tread blocks are here when you're looking at the top of the tire or looking just over the shoulder of the tire. And you can even see that they're very similar in tread depth to factory sawtooth golf cart tires. So the 6 to 7 millimeter tread depth on the 205/30/14 tire is safe enough for all the nicest country clubs in the world, and you'll have no problem using them at your local golf course. The third reason is that 205/30/14 golf cart tires still provide a pretty decent ride quality for their overall size and their sleek look. So when you move up from an 8-inch wheel like this to a 14-inch golf cart wheel, you're getting a lot more beauty. I mean, we have so many cool 14-inch wheels on our site. These are the 14-inch HD3s and machined in black. And over here we have the 14-inch Trex Mavericks in gloss black. But when you're going up to get that beauty on your cart, you really don't want a harsh ride quality. And that's what's nice about 205/30/14 golf cart tires. It still has a respectable sidewall. This is, granted, as thin as you can get with a low profile tire to still have an acceptable ride quality on your cart. But it's a 2.4-inch tall sidewall, and it gives enough cushion to feel slightly harder than factory. But for 6 inches more of wheel beauty, you know, people are willing to sacrifice a little bit of comfort for the overall look. And the fourth reason is that all the great major brands make this tire size. So some of the most popular ones we sell on our site are the Wanda 205/30/14s. We sell the Arison 205/30/14s. We sell the Excel 205/30/14s. And I mean, every brand makes this tire size, and it's for good reason. Regardless of what 205/30/14 golf cart tire you choose when you're shopping, this is one of the most popular tires on the market for good reason, so you really can't go wrong. It allows 14-inch wheels to fit on every single golf cart. It's great around the neighborhood, and it works at every golf course because it's turf safe because of the 6 to 7 mil tread depth that the tire has. So if you're thinking about upgrading your cart to 14-inch golf cart wheels today, then rest assured with 205/30/14 golf cart tires, they will fit on every cart, and you can't go wrong choosing this tire size for your golf cart. We hope this tire video helped you out a lot. If it did, please drop us a like because it helps out our channel. Subscribe to our channel because we have lots of cool golf cart content coming your way. And please head over to golfcarttiresupply.com to get new wheels and tires for your golf cart. We have the coolest stuff ever, and we really appreciate you guys. Thanks so much. Take care.